contents too. Is this recording?
Wait, just a minute. Yeah.
Alright, hello. This is Michael vs. Cough Syrup, episode 1. Alright, the contents of this glass is half glass of cough syrup, as you can tell, because it's already half empty, plus Kool-Aid. Already chugged half a glass, and it tastes like ass, just to let you know. But, gotta do it. Alright?
Alright. Do the Michael sign, man.
Before I do it, man, nah, sorry.
Michael.
It is man. It is man. I'm man, I'm gonna drink it. Michael versus cough syrup. Yeah, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Michael versus cough syrup. Alright, we're done. Gonna throw up. Gonna throw up. Gonna throw up. Now it's just freaking Michael versus Kool-Aid.